Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to announce the 3 winners of our Milwaukee M12 compact inflator kits. We've been using this unit around the shop, inside and outside, in places that we would normally take a hose from our large compressor. It's so much easier just to grab onto this little piece, not have to have our digital gauge with us. Just set this up, push a button, target PSI's hit, turns itself off, move on to the next thing. We had a flat tire and a side-by-side. It took less than a minute to pump that from 0 to 10 PSI, and it worked flawlessly. We were checking the bearings on our trailer because we're gonna go out and do a trip to West Virginia, and we were like, hey, might as well get this out. Granted, it pumped every tire up 1 to 3 PSI. We were able to check bearings, let this guy run, and just do things. It's awesome. It's cool. It's compact. It goes with you. We're going to take it with us on our trip riding just in case something happens. And that's what's perfect. It's so easy. It's everything all in one little piece. Sorry to go on, but this has been one of those tools like the Milwaukee M12 ratchet that once you have it, you go, yeah, there it is. But once you have it, you just find that, hey, I can check that. It's so easy. I can go look at what's the tire pressure on the wife's car, what's the tire pressure on my car. I should probably check them, or I should do it. It makes those jobs that would normally be a little bit of a pain in the butt really easy and really nice. I'm going to stop rambling and get this out there. Now, we asked people to put in their coolest car they own. You know, any car that you have is cool. It's awesome. It doesn't matter. Everybody's got their own thing. A lot of people seem to feel bad. All you have to do is follow the rules, man, and you are in. A lot of people still don't hashtag the Workshop Addict thing. Sorry, but we had 3 winners here. Here they are. First, I'm going to slaughter this last name. Matt Bernard, maybe, one or the other, 2012 supercharged Mustang. You know what, Matt, if you're ever in Michigan, we want to take that car and race it. We have a couple Mustangs around here, and we have a couple Camaros that are both supercharged. We'd like to take it for a run, but first, congratulations on winning. Second, Joe Framer, you have an 06 Rubicon. Funny, we have one of those too. You also have a Z51, which we think that you're probably talking about one of the newer vets, but I guess they did have the Z51 package on the C6s, maybe even the C5s. So congratulations. Last one is Matt Cooper. You have an 08 Silverado. Awesome Chevy trucks, man. We like Ford, but it doesn't really matter. We drive Chevys also. So congratulations to the 3 winners. Make sure everybody congratulates them, not only here, but you can go back to the other thread, find their posts, and also congratulate them there. We have a lot more giveaways coming up and some really cool stuff that's happening. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Give us a like in this video. And as always, thank you for your time. Have a great day.